Are you playing Legos, Molly? Or are you thinking that could be a litter box? Are you eating the Lego? Are you assembling a little ship? What are you doing in there? It's not a litter box, okay? No pooping in there. That's just weird. Oh my gosh, she's going to the bathroom. Oh, is she going to the bathroom in there? Okay, can you, Molly, just get out. Hey. Psst, get out. You need thumbs to play with Legos. Crazy cat.